Welcome, today in front of me OnePlus Nord 2T, and I'll show you how to link or unlink Google Assistant from power button on this device. So now by press and hold the power button, we can open the just power off menu, and if you want to link Google Assistant here, we should launch the settings application and then scroll down to the system section. After that, just tap here to power button section and click press and hold and switch power menu to Google Assistant. And after that, let's just check. And now we can see that we just successfully link Google Assistant to power button on our OnePlus device. If you want to turn out this feature by the same way, to open the settings, click to the system settings here, tap power button, press and hold the power button and switch Google Assistant to power menu. And that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.